What's poppin' YouTube? In today's reaction, I'm about to check out B.I. Waterfall, a music video. Y'all know what time it is, man. I check out B.I. in a little minute. It was a little minute though, but we back about to check out B.I. You know, 131 label. You know what I'm feeling? You know what I'm saying? But let's get into the video, man. Subscribe, smash the like. Let's get it. Let's see what's up with it. Y'all know B.I. B.I. smooth with it now, for real.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 Jane, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 Pain, 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해? I got a lot of pain 인생에.
Oh, hey, hold on. Hey, look, no, bro, not hit the little. Hey, bro, not a dash. No, real talk on me, bro.
나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해? I got a lot of pain 인생은 새노래. 끝이 없는 고뇌, 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 요인. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 비가 제대로 통해.
I don't think I heard the music video to this. I think I heard the music video to Waterfall though, cause that's the official music video, but it's like a performance version. You feel what I'm saying? So they ain't really gonna show too much except for like the dancing to it. But I think I heard the music video to this thing. I might gotta check it out. Pretty to the sky. Hey, that joke go crazy. No, that go. Hey, that's tough. That's tough. I like the ad-libs that say, hey. Nah, that joke tough, bro. The whole beat to the flow, his flow so unique with it. Like, he got a unique flow. Hey, I like the ad-libs in the background. His fit go crazy though. Uh-oh. That sound fire. Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, switch the whole floor. Hold on. He said, my people who I'm grateful to, all the ties in my life. That's fine. Hold on. Bro, switch the whole flow.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비어 헝클어진 머리카락.
Oh yeah, he feeling it now. He feeling this now. Hey, he riding to it.
내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비어 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가.
Falling down. Damn. That's why he named it Waterfall. He said it falls with falling down. That right there crazy. No. I ain't never heard nothing like that. Yeah, Popa that's me falling down. Yeah. He said that's me. Hey, that's tough. That's tough. Oh, bro, that kick. No, that been the kick. Bro. Look how he did this, bro. Look right here. That's tough, bro. Come on now. Then he got the lights in the back. That's why. Yeah, I'm Waterfall. Waterfall. Nah, I'm about to get on. Hey, real talk, though. Damn, it's been 2021. That's crazy. It's been 3 years ago, but I'm low-key about to actually check out the music video, so y'all gotta stay tuned for it, man. But look, if y'all enjoy that reaction, subscribe, smash the like. More B.I. on the way. Don't wait. You ain't gotta worry. I got more B.I. for y'all, man. But stay tuned for the next B.I. And I'm out, man. Till the end for the rock out. That right there was tough, man. Real talk. Like, B.I. not kill it. He killed that. Real on me, he killed that.